Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn MCQ based on digital business management. So first we will learn about the module 3, which is digital business support service. So question number 1 is what does ERP stand for? Four option is there. First is enterprise resource planning, enterprise resource program, enterprise recycling program, environmental resource planning. So ERP stands for the enterprise resource planning. This is the correct answer. So next is question number 2. Enterprise resource planning ERP has been criticized on a number of grounds. Which of the following is not a common criticism of ERP? It can have a distribute effect on the organization operation. It does not allow decision and database from all part of the organization to be integrated. Implementation is expensive and the effect it on has on business is disappointing. So the correct answer is option B, which is it does not allow a decision and database from all part of the organization to be integrated. Next question is question number 3, which is the dash and dash manage the supplier relation, monitor the vendor activities and manage the supplier quality in an organization. So first option is supplier management and customization process, supplier maintenance and control processes, supplier management and control processor. Fourth is supplier maintenance and customization process. So correct answer is option C, supplier management and control process. Manage the supplier relation, monitor the vendor activities and manage the supplier quality in the organization. Question number 4. As the process became more automated and efficient, it is the best to treat ERP as an investment as well as cost cutting measure. It is not the best to treat ERP as an investment as well as a cost cutting measure. It is the best to treat ERP as an disinvestment as well as cost cutting measure. It is the best to treat ERP as an investment but not as cost cutting measure. So process become automated and efficient. So the correct answer is it is the best to treat the ERP as an investment as well as cost cutting measures. Option A is the right answer. So question number 5. Identify the right answer. The two major objectives of the human resource are A. To provide instant update of the information, to make the workflow cost effective, to provide training to the employees, to provide self-service benefit to the employees. From these four options we have to select the correct one. So the correct one is option C. Option C means B and D. Two major objectives of human resource are so two major objectives of human resources are B and D: to make the workflow cost effective and to provide the self-service benefit employees. So B and D. So B and D option goes in option C. Okay. So next question number 6. CRM helps employ with dash and improve personal dash efficiency. Options are work and work advantage, customization and work advantage, and work customization and work advantage. So correct answer is C, option C, work advantage and work. This is the right answer. CRM helps employees with work advantage and improves personal work efficiency. So question number 7. select the modules that decide the input required and supplier for delivery. Inventory placing, inventory order assessment, inventory requisition, supplier performance. So from these four options we have to select any two options which are the modules that decide the input of supply delivery. So the correct answer is option C, which is C and B. C and B means inventory order assessment and inventory request. Identify the correct answer. The three major activities associated with ERP inventory management are identifying inventory requirement, customizing information, monitoring items usage, integrating the inventory balance. Means from these four options we have to select the correct answer. Okay, three major, we have to select three major activities associated with ERP inventory. So three major activities will be there. Option C will, which are A, identifying inventory requirements, C is monitoring the item uses, and the integrating the inventory balance. These are the correct answers. So question number 9, the sale support component help the sale and marketing department to, and options are supporting existing customer, only support in developing new business, support existing customer but does not allow to develop new business, and last is support support existing customer and at the same time to develop the new business. So correct answer is this fourth one, to support existing customer and at the same time to develop the new business. The sale support component help the sale and marketing department too. So answer is fourth. Question number 10, dash are the collected and archived in a manner that offer full support for dash process control techniques. So four options are there: product quality metrics, statics product quality metrics, production quality statistical, product quality metrics financial. So correct answer is option A. Product quality metrics are collected and are achieved in a manner that offer full support for statistical process control technique. Question number 11, the sales and distribution module of many ERP vendors offer a comprehensive set of best of its kind component for both dash and dash management, manufacturing, production, sales and distribution, planning and business, order and logistics. So right answer is order and logistics. The sales and distribution modules of many ERP vendors offer an comprehensive set of best of its kind component for both order and logistic management. Question number 12, one common mistake that companies resort when selecting an ERP system is non-base selection, B, over emphasis on the system cost, complete set of requirement, not relying on vendor demos. So the correct answer is over emphasis system cost, over emphasis on system cost. Number 13, the stockholder within the enterprise must be involved in the project initiation phase where the decision making process is agreed and attend vendor demonstration, not assist in the gathering of requirement, not be involved in vendor demonstration, involved only in vendor demonstration. So correct answer is option A. Next question is question number 14, the dash should be a replica of organization dash process. So four option, MES and business, ERP financial, MES financial, ERP business. So correct answer is option D. which is ERP business. The ERP should be a replica of organization business process. Question number 15. The package should be dash and should have installation in the country where the dash has office. Domestic vendor, international company, international system developer, international vendor. So correct answer is option B, international company. International and the company. Question number 16. When ERP system is introduced in a company, many employees find the transformation difficult to accept because of which of the two reasons. The employees are not given proper training. Employees who were earlier doing to the work of recording information are transferred into a decision makers. Of fear of unemployment, they fear that ERP system will revolutionize the way they live and work. So from these four options we have to select the two correct option. So codes are option A is 1 and 2, option B 3 and 4, option 3 2 and 4, and option 4 option D is 1 and 3. So correct option is option D, 1 and 3. So this is the right answer. 1. The employees are not given proper training and of fear of unemployment. Next is identify the correct statement. Question number 17. Identify the correct statement. The only problem with the package vendor is that they are very expensive. The only problem with the business consult is that they are very expensive. The only problem with the employee training is that it is very expensive. The only problem with the planning of the implementation is that it is very expensive. So correct answer is option B. This is the correct option. So question number 18. The vendor should have a dash who must constantly interact with the implementation team. Liaison officer, project supervisor, project manager, implementation coordination. So correct answer is liaison officer. Question number 90. EOT means engineer to order, engineer to offer, enterprise to order, and enterprise to offer. So correct answer is option A, which is engineer to order. Question number 20. As a process become more automated and efficient, it is the best to treat ERP as an investment as well as a cost cutting measure. It is not the best to treat ERP as an investment as well as a cost cutting measure. It is the best to treat ERP as an investment as well as a cost cutting measure. It is the best to treat ERP as an investment but not as a cost cutting measure. So correct answer is option D. Question number 21. Dash system maintain employees information in graphical format. Employees master data, personal administration, payroll, accounting, benefit administration. So correct answer is option A, which is employees master data. So next question is question number 22. Dash module keep track of liquidation process. Market management module, liquidation module, treasury module, enterprise management module. So correct answer is option C, which is treasury module. Next is Dash is the most common operating system for running CRM software. UNIX, Windows NT, Windows Vista, Windows XP. So correct answer is option A, UNIX. In this question number 24. In recent years, CRM has become a primary component of ERP vendors, ERP software solution, CRM software, solution. So correct answer is option B, which is ERP software solution. Next question is installing ERP inventory system is simple, trouble free, complex, या cost effective. It is a complex. Option C is the correct answer. Next is RFP stands for. Question number 26. RFP stands for request for productivity, request for profit, request for processing, request for proposal. So correct answer is request for proposal. Request for proposal is the correct answer. Next is web. Question number 27. Web ERP is suitable for both small and big organization, only big organization, medium scale organization, only small organization. So correct answer is option A, which is both small and big organization. Question number 28. Dash maintains report of warehouse supplies, ERP financial module, ERP inventory software module, ERP resource module, ERP verification module. So correct answer is ERP inventory module. Question number 29. Dash evaluate whether or not customer contract agreement are being met. Purchase order management, sales order management, master data management, warehouse management. So correct answer is option D, which is warehouse management. Question number 13. Which of the following describe as ERP system? ERP system provide a foundation of collaboration between department. ERP system enable people in different business areas to communicate. ERP system have been widely adopted in large organization to store critical knowledge used to make the decision that derive the organization performance. Last option is all of the above. So correct option is all of the above. D option is the correct. What is the heart of the ERP system? Information, employees, customer या database. So heart of the ERP system is database. Option D is the correct answer. What must a system do to the quality as a true ERP solution? Be flexible, be modular and close. Next is extend within the company, all of the above. So correct answer is be flexible. Next is question number 33. Which of the following is the reason for ERP explosion growth? ERP is a logical solution to the mess of incompatible application. ERP address the need for global information sharing and reporting. ERP is used to avoid the pain and expense of fixing legacy system. All of the above. So correct answer is option D, which is all of the above. Next is question number 34. Which are the several different types of software which sit in the middle of and provide connectivity between two or more software application? Middleware, enterprise application integration middleware, automated business process, e-business infrastructure. So correct answer is middleware. Question number 35. What represent a new approach to middleware by packing together commonly used functionality such as providing pre-built link to popular enterprise application, which reduce the time necessary to develop solution that integrate application from multiple vendors? So option is middleware, enterprise application integrated middleware, automated business process, e-business infrastructure. So correct answer is option B, enterprise application integrated middleware. Question number 36. Who are the primary user of SCM system? Sales, marketing, customer service, accounting, finance, logistics and production, customer, reseller, partners, supplier and distributor, all of the above. So correct option is option C, which is customers, reseller, partner, supplier and distributor. Question number 37. What are the primary business benefit of an ERP system? Sale forecast, sale strategy and marketing campaign, market demand, resource and capacity constraint and real-time scheduling, forecasting, planning, purchasing, material management, warehousing, inventory and distribution, and all of the above. So correct option is answer is option C is the correct answer. Who are the primary user of the ERP system? Sales, marketing, customer service, accounting, finance, logistics and production, customer, reseller, partners, supplier and distribution, all of the above. So correct answer is option B, which is accounting, finance, logistic and production. Question number 39. Dash handling and sharing has become a vital process for efficient and effective working for an organization. Material, resource, information and database. So correct answer is information. Question number 40. It has become the fundamental concept of production management and control. BOM, MRP, ERP, MRP2. So answer is MRP. Option B is the right answer. In the Dash ERP package were target at the manufacturing industry. 1970s, 1990s, 1980s, 1960s. So correct answer is option B, 1990s. Question number 42. The Dash should plan well and execute perfectly the implementation of ERP. Organization, system developer, vendor या top management. So answer is system developers. Option B is the correct answer. Which is one of the most critical step in ERP implementation? Creation of organization model, creation of integrated data model, creation of business model, creation of data model. So correct answer is option B, which is creation of integrated data model. Question number 44. What is the one of the key resource of every organization in today's competitive business environment? Employee information, ERP या database? So correct answer is information. Question number 45. When a customer need to check the performance of the company before he place an order, which department has to be in position to provide the necessary information? Production, quality, marketing, finance. So correct answer is marketing. Option C is the correct answer. In an integrated data model, what gives a snapshot of an organization at any given time? ERP, database, management या miss? And correct answer is database. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 47. ERP system is built on a Dash utilizing a common computing platform. Centralized database, individual database, modular database या centralized layout? So correct answer is centralized database, which is option A. Which of the following is an example of commercial ERP? ERP5, Microsoft Dynamic AX, Compiler and Fistera. So correct answer is option B, Microsoft Dynamic AX. NPV is the abbreviation of net present variation method, net present value method, neutral present value method, net preventive value method. So correct answer is option C, which is neutral present value method. Question number 50. ERP vendor usually design their system around standard business process based upon Dash: business standard, global standard, best business practice, best profitable standard. So correct answer is best business practice. Option C is the right answer. Question number 51. The Dash module internal function do not directly interact with the data or process of the other modules: finance, quality management, sale and distribution, plant maintenance. So correct answer is quality management, which is option B. Next is, which among the following system can be designed to a cost central directly, which illustrate the interference to the cost accounting system? FAPA, purchasing, sales and distribution, and CASO. So correct answer is option D, which is CASO. Next question is, ERP is restricted to being a Dash operation system in the country: finance, budgeting modules, manufacturing, transaction oriented. So correct answer is transaction oriented. Question number 54. Dash allow companies to enter requirement for various types of item: purchase order, purchase requisitions, invoice, journal, ledger. So correct answer is option B, which is purchase requisition. Next question is what is EDI? Electronic Data Interface, Exchange Data Interchange, Exchange Data Interface, Electronic Data Interchange. So correct answer is option D, which is Electronic Data Interchange. Question number 56. Dash module support the entire sales and purchase processor from start to finish. Order management, sales management, purchase management, master data management. So correct answer is order management, which is option A. Question number 57. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing, Online Account Processing, Online Arithmetic Processing, Online Application Processing. So correct answer is Online Analytical Processing, which is option A. Data mining is the process of identifying valid, new, potential, useful and ultimately clear dash from database, decision, strategy, information and account. So correct answer is option C, which is information. EIS stands for Executive Interaction System, Executive Interconnecting System, Executing Information System, Executive Instrumental System. So correct option is option C, which is Executive Information System. DSS is a quiet dash and is available on request. Structure, non-structure, semi-structure, unstructured. So correct answer is option D, which is unstructured. Question number 61. Which of the following is not the advantage of ERP system? Today's ERP system can cover a wide range of functions and integrate them into one unified database. Ability to customize an organization requirement. Ability to integrate business operation with accounting and financial module. Ability to generate more sales. So correct answer is option D, which is ability to generate more sales. Number 62. Which of the following is not a feature of ERP system? An ideal ERP system satisfies all types of needs of an organization. An ideal ERP does not integrate business organization with accounting and financial module. An ideal ERP provides right data at right point of time to right user for their purpose. An ideal ERP system is that system where is a single database is used and stores all data from various modules. So correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Next and the last question is, which of the following is the main characteristics of integrated ERP system? Separate data maintenance by each department, centralized database, no direct inter-department communication, none of the above. So correct answer is centralized database, which is option B.